Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use YouTube Kids offline. So, if you guys traveling with kids and need to entertainment on the go, I'm going to suggest you to use YouTube Kids. So, in this video, I'll show you how you can download YouTube Kids videos for offline use. So what you need to do is of course open the YouTube Kids applications, and then here you can just open your kids profile. So once you are on the YouTube Kids homepage, you can just find the videos that you want your kids to watch offline. For example, I'm going to just download this one. You can just tap on this three dots icon under the video that you want to download and hit on the download video options. And as you guys can see here, the videos will start downloading. You can just wait until the process is done. So once the video is downloaded, you can find it under your stuff folder in here. So when you click on that, you can see there is this download tab that you can tap, and this is where your downloaded videos will be stored. You can find it in here after you download the videos, and your kids can watch it from here. So guys, that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below, and also click on the thanks. Bye.